everybody, it's JJ. And today what I have for you is probably one of the funnest videos that I have made yet. We're going to be looking at the AR Drone 2.0. They call it the Parrot. And not only is this a pretty incredible toy, just kind of a fun thing to do and fun thing to have for, you know, the big kids in the house and even, you know, the smaller ones. It's actually pretty easy to use. But really, the more and more I looked at this, and once I started looking at the footage that this thing provided off of the built-in camera from it, I really think that it has some practical, real-world applications, especially for, you know, shit hits the fan or kind of emergency scenarios, grid down scenarios. I can see how this could be actually used as a personal surveillance tool, you know, or a personal surveillance drone. I mean, take a look. I mean, you guys seen some of the footage coming in here, and you'll see a lot more of it here as it goes. And this thing is very agile. It can go pretty dang high, and you can get a good field of view, a good long distance, you know, a good look at it. And I can see, you know, how this could be used to take a look and get up above the tree line and see where flooding waters are coming in, you know, like during a flash flood or something along those lines. Or like a rising river or something, you know, something along those lines, or even a like a wildfire situation, trying to see where the fire lines are at in relation to your house. If you wanted to look at see what's going on at a checkpoint or something along those lines, you know, you could do that from a ways back or kind of around a bend or whatever. I mean, there's just a lot of different things that I think it could be. I think it could be used as, you know, like I said, as kind of a serious surveillance tool. But even if not, it's just a lot of fun, you know. So. The drone has a 720p HD camera built into it. It's got a 1000 milliamp battery, and one of the downsides to it is that the battery life is only about 12 minutes out of the box, but you can get an upgraded battery that'll last about 20 minutes, and I think that's probably well worth the money to do it, you know. One of the other things I really like about this is that it works off of Wi-Fi. So the drone itself actually puts out a Wi-Fi signal, and it connects to your phone. So even if the cell service is down and you're not able to make a cell call or anything like that, you could still use this because it connects via Wi-Fi direct to the drone. And you get to see real time what the drone sees through your phone, through your smartphone. And you can also plug in a USB stick to it to download the images that it takes. You can take photos, it takes video. You get complete control, and it's actually fairly easy and intuitive to use it. So anyhow, I'm not really doing a full review on this. I just wanted to show you guys this footage because I thought it was really cool, and I thought it could have some potential real-world applications. So if you guys, as you're watching this, can think of how you could use this, then throw it down in the comments below, because I'm really interested to hear, you know, different ways that it might be able to be utilized. But anyhow, have fun watching the video, and I'll be back with you here shortly. All right. Whoa!
What is that? It's a drone!
Got a camera in it, video.
Are you serious? There's a camera in it?
Yep.
And he controls it with his
That is the coolest thing ever.
I want to try that out.
How long did it take you to figure out how to control it and everything?
I'm still figuring it out.
Yeah.
Who's controlling it?
Brian is.
Oh, it's so
Do another flip.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
cool. We can go. Like,
That's
flip,
awesome.
flip. How high can it go?
We'll go find out.
That's as high. My house is
No.
all the way, so it's just as high.
Jeez. Now how far away is that? Does it tell you?
No, it's still the eye. I'm 18 meters up.
That's only 18 meters?
Yeah.
Is it high or far? How far can it go?
I haven't tested that
We don't want to.
We're afraid to. 'Cause if it doesn't come back, then it's a $300.
Or it could just drop and lose signal.
But look, this is what it sees. Now watch, I'll turn it and you'll see the whole skyline.
That's cool.
See that?
That's cool. How does it go down?
You see your controls. That is awesome.
Bring him back here.
I come in for like a strafing run on us.
You need to come down. I'll bring it this way.
No, you should have like guns to it and go. That'd be funny.
He's gonna put Roman candles on it.
Oh, that would be funny. Or like Nerf darts and like.
Turn this way. Turn the right way. It's backwards now.
Okay, sweetie. Oh, what are they doing? No, yeah, maybe underneath that. He's gonna come right at you. You're in the car.
Tree. Oh.
Ooh, don't hit the tree. Yeah, that would suck.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Okay?
Thank you.
I'm getting a rock. It's following you.
No, Tanner.
No, I'm just kidding. That's probably a mistake. Come on. What you got?
Dude, that is awesome. So if you just let go of the controls, it just goes into hover mode?
Yep, exactly.
That is awesome. Here, fly it right by me.
Entry.
Dude, that is cool.
How do you land it?
I'm gonna show you. Just hit a button once I get it to where I need it.
Oh, and then you just hit a button, it does it on its own?
I just want to make sure I'm on it.
Are you gonna land on the car? Looks like it fell under.
That is awesome, man.
Yeah, how do you land?
I just chased your brother around the yard.
Whoa, you almost missed it, dude.
Better run, here it comes.
I mean,
No, take both.
oh, it's gonna fall. Whoa.
I'll take both of them.
Watch out!
Oh, I didn't want to
Oh! It touched and then...
What, Dad
They
tried?
give you a haircut. I don't
What,
want to drive
Dad tried
it.
to control-
No, I'm afraid I'll break
can I
it.
try it?
No, you cannot.
Why?
Because if you crash, then it's no good.
Come on, boy. What? Don't give us.
Whoa!
Oh.
Race, all right, come here.
All right, to the end of the driveway.
To that fence. You ready?
All right, go.
Well, hold on.
I'll say it. Tell me when you're ready.
How do
We
you use
pointed-
remote control?
Mark. Set. Go!
Wait, are you controlling it?
Oh, it's a fence! Oh, shit!
Okay, we're back a bit.
Feel good. Do it again.
That is awesome. You should have ran before.
Yeah. Is it getting low in power? Does it just land itself when it gets to a low power?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it up and see how I can do it. That's always scares me.
Yeah.
I'm getting under it. Is that going pretty high or what?
Uh-huh. You're funny.
Brian, let it go down.
Now he's gonna see how high I can get it. It's amazing. It stays pretty, pretty well in one spot.
Yeah.
I mean, it drifts a little bit, but
40 meters in the air, it's a low battery. It's probably not a good thing.
yeah, really. Now bring it straight back down.
Try to get, see? Try to get.
All right, everybody, so that was a look at the AR Drone 2.0, the Parrot. And you may be asking yourself, well, how much does one of these things cost? Because that's pretty cool. They're only about $300. So really, they're pretty affordable. And like I said, they're just a lot of fun, number one. And, they may have some other potential uses. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I think I can see ways that they can be used. I'm planning on getting one myself. This wasn't mine. This was a friend of mine's. And, I think it was just a lot of fun and really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I always appreciate it when you like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And thanks again for watching. Take it easy.